Greetings and welcome to the Astronomy Picture of the Day podcast. Today's picture for January 23rd of 2025 is titled NGC 7814 Little Sombrero. So what do we see here? Well, here we see the galaxy known by its catalog designation NGC 7814. And it's also known as the Little Sombrero because it resembles M104, which is known as the Sombrero Galaxy. Now it's the Little Sombrero because it appears smaller in the sky. However, it is also at a much greater distance. So in reality, it's actually the same size as the Sombrero Galaxy. And it's just that it is farther away, making it appear smaller. Now, both of these galaxies would be considered spiral galaxies, and we don't see the spiral structure because of the position from which we view them. We're viewing them edge on. We're seeing the flattened disk stretched across space here, and we can not see the spiral structure that way. However, we know the features of a spiral galaxy, so we can still know that they are a spiral galaxy, even though we can't see those spiral arms. We do see a distinct core toward the center, as well as a bulge around that, and then the flat disks moving outward. Now, one of the key things for a spiral galaxy is that they contain gas and dust in them. And we can see the dust lane going across the central part of this image. And that is showing us and highlighting the disk portion of this galaxy. Now within that dust, stars would be forming, and star formation is another key point of a spiral galaxy. So they have cold gas and dust, which is able to form stars. And that star formation would be ongoing here within the disk of the galaxy. Now in the larger regions, then the star formation has ceased. So up above and well below the disk of the galaxy, the star formation may have formed stars may have formed a long time ago, but are no longer forming. It is only within the disk that we currently get star formation in a spiral galaxy. Now it is quite possible that to a distant observer looking from the correct position in space would see our own Milky Way as something similar to this. So we only get one view of a galaxy. However, it happens to be orientated towards us. We can't actually change that positioning. No matter where we move on Earth or even within our solar system, the galaxy is always going to look exactly the same. The only way to change that would be to travel the millions of light years needed to get to a different perspective. So something that is well beyond our capability at this time. So in order to learn more about galaxies, we study large groups of them to get detailed statistical measures of what the galaxies are like, since there is no way we can go around and search and explore a galaxy from all different directions. So that was our picture of the day for January 23rd of 2025. It was titled NGC 7814 Little Sombrero. We'll be back again tomorrow for the next picture. So until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.